Hola a todos, my name is Eileen from Casamona, and let me take you on a tour of the studio apartment between Raval and Gótico. So starting from the terrace, look at this huge amazing terrace, your own private terrace with a lot of natural sunlight coming. You can chill here with your friends, listen to music, soak up some sun. And then next up we have the living room. So here it's spacious, it has nice modern tiles, and behind us we have the kitchen. It has everything you need: microwave, stove. Then moving on to the living area, we have a bed here, sofa. Also a balcony right here with your own amazing views over the city. And now moving on to the bedroom. So here you have a double bed, your own balcony, second balcony, tiles to give the modern charm, Catalan beams to give that Catalan charm. Here is again the second balcony. You can just wake up and come sip your coffee right here. And behind us, lastly, we have the bathroom. So once you wake up, you can go straight to the bathroom. You have a shower. And yeah, if you're interested, contact us at info@casamona.com.